Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Venmo using a bank account step by step clearly. To withdraw money from Venmo using a bank account, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. On the main screen, locate and tap the icon in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Manage Balance. Next, tap on Transfer to Bank. You will be prompted to choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the desired amount to transfer. After selecting the amount, you need to choose your transfer method. You can select either instant for a quick transfer or 1 to 3 business days for a standard transfer. If you choose instant, be aware that a small fee will apply. Once you've made your selection, tap Next. You will now see a confirmation screen. Double-check the amount and the transfer method. If everything looks correct, tap Transfer. If this is your first time withdrawing to your bank account, you may need to add your bank account information. To do this, go back to the icon and select Settings. Then, tap on Payment Methods and choose Add Bank Account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details. Once your account is verified, you can proceed with your withdrawal. After confirming your transfer, you will receive a notification regarding the status. Keep an eye on your bank account to see when the funds arrive. For instant transfers, funds should appear within minutes. For standard transfers, allow up to 3 business days for the transaction to complete. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from Venmo using your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.